Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Acura MDX. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 120,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.